Hey friends, this is Gracie, and Gracie is wanting some red hair, but she is young and doesn't want commitment, and guess what else? She's a virgin. Yes, she is, guys. This is all natural. There is nothing going on this. So, of course, we're going to start her out with a chelating treatment, and we're going to proceed from there, so stay tuned. Hi guys, and welcome to Hair Tunes, raw, real, and diverse hair education. I help hairstylists become better hairstylists. Okay, guys, here we go. So this is what we're doing today. So we are making Gracie a redhead, but not an all over redhead because she doesn't want the upkeep. So I figured we're going to use this stuff by Oligo Pro, and it's called PS55, and it's from their Blacklight line, and it is a lift and tone in one. So they have some blonde colors, and they have a couple of red shades. So I am going to use a regular red shade, and I am going to use the PS55, which is a high lift red shade. So this is a regular red shade, and with the regular red shade, I am going to use a softer weave, and I am going to do a blendy thing. With the other one, I'm going to do deep chunky weaves with the more vibrant colors. I really want those to be streaky. So, and then when she comes in, we are just going to glaze her in in the after, okay? So when we see her again, she's actually coming in a couple of weeks. So this video isn't that old. Usually guys, I'm going on vacation. So I literally grabbed this and said, let me do this one really quick. This is easy. It's a good video. People love it because there's no bleach involved. It's a redhead with no bleach. It's great. So again, that was just a blendy one. So yeah, so now I'm going to do a really bright red one. So you can see I did deep chunky weaves. And so I'm going to use my board, and I buttered my board first with the PS55. And guys, I'm using 40 volume and Olaplex, of course, in this. And then the other, I'm just using 20 volume. And that was like 5 RRV. So that's going to lift, but it's not going to lift as much as this. And this will lift through tint, but it's not going to lift through tint as much as it would lift through natural hair because it doesn't have that, and then it would have that barrier there. So, guys, this comes out really beautiful, by the way. I was so excited, and Gracie just was so excited. So anyways, when she comes back in, we're just going to put a red direct dye over it and just going to zhuzh it back up. But the red, red's hard to keep, right? And she doesn't want to dye her mom's tub red. So, so we just kind of we'll just come in and we'll just glaze you out afterwards, and it's no big deal. And we'll just upkeep with it. And then when she needs a touch up, we'll just do this again. So it's great. It's an effective way to get an all-over color without any commitment. So I think this was done in October, and I'm going to see her in February. So that is not a lot of commitment. It's keeping it rooted. We're just going to, zhuzh up the red. It's all good. So, like I said, we started her off with a chelating treatment. I always start all my new clients off with a chelating treatment because I don't know what the hell's on their head. So we always start off that because we don't need any counteraction with any mineral. And on top of it, we also have... So I'm just going to work those all the way up to the back of the sides into the little corners, alternating a weave and a tease, the teasy and then the thick weave, just to give those different shades. Now we're going around the face and we're doing the money piece, so we really want to feather that in. I do not want to have to root shadow this. I just want when I put the color in, I want to feather it in, I want to glaze it out, and I want to be done. There was a kind of a cost to factor in, she wanted to keep within a budget, and I'm all more than happy to keep my clients in a budget. So I try to do what I can do for them in the price that they want. Hey hair friends, are you a hairstylist who spends hours on social media but can't seem to find the consistency for yourself, and you have no idea what the hell to post? Would you like a shortcut to the long process of content creation for social media? I got you covered with my creative content calendar. Not only will you get the creative content, but you will also get the monthly marketing tips, the scheduling planner, and the self-care tips. Get your hands on my very first freebie of the year. DM me, CCC, or comment down below to get your copy of the Creative Content Calendar. Thanks, guys, and Happy New Year! Okay, so after I do the money piece, I'm going to go horizontally up the head because it's going to give us more color all the way up the head. And so instead of going around with the horseshoe pattern getting streaks, we're going to get more coverage just going horizontal up the side of the head of the remaining pieces. Again, doing deep weaves, just get those streaky bits, but leaving a bit of a shadow just to Make sure that it's really soft and blendy and beautiful. And then I'm just gonna go in between with those softer pieces. And I guess I didn't speed this piece up, so this is in real time so you can see how actually slow and beautiful I paint this, guys. It's like a work of art. I feel like Bob Ross right now. So soft and beautiful. And I fold those up so nicely and I just flip them over and I get into the next one. We really wanted to get some coverage, and then I'll use my little 3D balayage comb in there and just getting in there and doing my little pieces and just doing my deep weaves. So we're just nearing up the end, so I'm going to process this for about 45 minutes. When we're done, we're going to rinse, we're going to stop oxidation, we're going to give her an Olaplex number 2 treatment, and then we will shampoo, and then we will deep condition her, and her hair will feel absolutely freaking amazing. Her hair will actually feel better than when she came in. So it absolutely comes out amazing. She was so happy and in love with her hair. So here we are coming to the before of what Gracie's hair looked like before I started. It was natural. It was virgin. It was just brown. It was beautiful, but it was just brown. And guys, boom. Look at that. Beautiful hair. Oh my God, it was so easy. This is such an easy thing to accomplish. In the salon, we did put a little bit of red glaze in her Olaplex number 2 just to pop it up a little bit more. Guys, if you like and enjoy my content, don't forget you can find me on the TikToks, the Instagram, the Facebook, here on YouTube. Guys, thank you so much. If you like and enjoy my content, if you like this video, don't forget I have tons more videos. And if you guys want, there's all kinds of links in the description. And guys, don't forget to hit the ding dong. Guys, we'll catch you on the next one. Love ya. Bye.